Hello friends, this is Dr. Satya Tripathi. This demonstration video is a part of lecture series on Fortran programming language using code blocks. In this video, I'll give a hands-on on different type of intrinsic data types used in Fortran. There are 7 data types. These are integer, real, double precision, complex, logical, and character type data. So let's see how to use them. So first, open code blocks, then write program, then program name, data type. So put enter. So this is starting of my program, this is start of the program, and this is end of the program. So next I am going to write implicit none. So always write implicit none to avoid any problem in data type declaration. So this is for proper data type declaration. And to understand why the reason to use this implicit none, please see my previous videos. Next, here I am going to define different data types. So let me use the first one, that is integer type. So I am going to use integer, so double colon, and my variable is I. So this is like declaration of integer type data. So I is integer type data. Then I'm going to define another real type data, real or natural number. So real double colon R. So this is the real type variable. Next I'm going to use double precision. Double precision. So for double precision I'm going to use D, and this is real with larger location size or memory size, larger memory size. Okay. Okay. Next another is complex, 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 double colon, then C. So this is like complex type. So it is like A plus IV format. Next we have logical type. So we use logical double colon M comma, and here there are 2 logical types, that is either true or false. So there are only 2. So next is character type. CHARACT, character. We need to define the length. I'm going to use 100 characters. So double colon, this is syntax. Then I'm going to use message. Okay, so now I'm going to do something. I'm going to define aim as true. So dot true dot, this is the way we define logical variables. Then n is equal to dot false. So don't miss it here, because true and false are defined like this. Okay, next I'm going to use this message. So this is defined like this. Either you can use single apostrophes or double apostrophes, it is up to your choice. So I'm going to write here program checked okay colon passed. Okay, so what I'm now going to do, I'm going to give user input to each of this variable, and I'm going to print that to see what is coming. So let me write print star comma enter integer type data. So this is going to print in the output. So this is in the output. Next I'm going to give the value to the computer. So read star comma I. and then I'm going to see that output, print star comma. So this is like the value of integer is here, make a comma, don't forget it, this is important, comma, then space I. This is going to print the output. Okay, so this is next same way we are going to do this real type. So enter this real type data. This is the output. So this is real and this is going to be R. So the value of real type. So this is going to be real type. Next we are going to see, this is also in the output. Let me write it. This is in the output. This is in the input. This is because this is a user input, and this is in the input. Yes. So next I'm going to use that variable double precision. So enter. So here I'm going to use enter double precision real type data in double precision. Double precision is nothing but real data with bigger location size or memory size. So enter the real type data in double precision. Okay, so next we need complex type. So enter, so print star comma, so enter complex type data, and this is my C. So this is real complex type here. Yeah, CMPLX complex. So this is my C output. Yes. So here next we are going to use this logical type. So here I'm going to ask a question to the computer that is this when I am going to enter this real type data and integer type, which one is greater? Okay, so print star comma apostrophe is integer type is greater than real type data. So comma, so what I'm going to do is integer greater than, either you can use greater than or you can use dot ge, it's up to your choice. So greater than R. I'm going to see this in the output. Yeah. Next I'm going to print the message statement. Yes, print star comma the message is, so let me write the message is, then comma, then message. So let me put this one here. So this is again in the output, and this will also be in the output. So let me read this problem again. I have defined different type of data types like I integer, R real, D double precision, C complex, MN as logical, then character type as message with a length of 100 characters. So what I have done, I am going to give a user input through read star comma. I'm going to see how that is printing. So this let me compile it. I think there are 0 error, 0 warning. So let me see it here. Yeah. So it is showing me integer type data. So integer I'm going to put like 5 is an integer, so it's okay. So the value of integer is 5. Real type data I'm going to put any natural number like 5.6. Okay, so it is okay. So after 5 there are like 8 decimals. Okay, but in double precision we are going to see that there will be number after the decimal 8 places. Okay, so like 5.8 I'm putting. So you can see no, it is not showing that. Let me see that I have put it correctly, because yeah, so it is printing D, so this is my mistake. So D it here. So let me compile again. So yes, no error. Yes, I'm going to put 5 again for integer, that's fine. So real type I'm going to put 5.6, then enter. So this is real type value. Again I'm put double precision, means the memory location will be high, so 5.7 I'm going to put. You can see that after 7 there are more numbers. To enter a complex number, you can see that you can do like 2, this is a real value. Again this is the imaginary value is 3. So let me see how it is printing. You can see that it is printing like 2,3. 2 is a real, 3 is a integer. So what I have asked a question here in the logical type is integer type is greater than the real type. Okay, integer type is a 5, real type is 5.6. so no, this is false, so it is written F. So the finally I have printed a statement here through the message character. So message is the program is check pass. So I hope you understood different type of data types. So if you have any question, you can put a comment on the comment box, and thank you for watching the video. Be safe.